Welcome to AyseeTech&Tips channel. Good day, ICT learners. In the previous lesson, you were introduced with all the instruction and guidelines in the proper tool selection. To complete hardware repairs, it is important to have a toolkit that should contain all the necessary tools. As you gain experience, you will learn which tool to have available for different types of jobs. Hardware tools are grouped into these four categories. First, electrostatic discharge or ESD tools. Second, hand tools. Third, cleaning tools. Fourth, diagnostic tools. Let us first have electrostatic discharge or ESD tools. This is the sudden flow of electricity between two electrically charged objects caused by contact, an electrical short, or dielectric breakdown. Like the shock you receive when rubbing your feet in the carpet and touching something metal, ESD can occur when working in your computer and can cause damage to components. ESD can occur without you feeling a shock and only occurs while working inside a computer or handling an expansion card or other hardware. Major examples of ES tools includes anti-static wrist strap. It prevents static electricity from building up. Static electricity can electronically destroy many of the delicate components inside a computer. A wrist strap is also called an anti-static strap. You wear the strap like a bracelet. The strap keeps the one wearing it grounded. Grounded means the computer will not have any static electricity damage. Another example of an ESD tool is an anti-static bag. It is used to store and transfer electrostatic sensitive hardware. It is specially designed to help prevent static electricity inside the bag. So if you ever buy a hard drive, it's most likely to come in one of these bags. Another is an anti-static mat. It is a floor or table mat used to help reduce the risk of electrostatic discharge while working in a computer or other electrostatic sensitive object. It helps by quickly drawing off the static electricity of us before we can touch any equipment. Since we also carrying static electricity, an ESD mat helps. If we didn't have a mat, then the slightest touch of equipment can destroy processors. Second in the hardware category is the hand tool. Most tools used in the computer assembly processes are small hand tools. They are available individually or as part of a computer repair toolkit. A hand tool is a device for performing work in a material or a physical system using only hands. The hand tools can be manually used employing force or electrically powered using electrical current. Examples of hand tools are as follows. What do you call this one? Yes, it's a flathead screwdriver. What is the function of a flathead screwdriver? It is used to loosen or tighten slotted or negative screws. What about this one? Yes, it's a Phillips head screwdriver. It is used to loosen or tighten crosshead or positive slotted screws. And this one? Yes, it's a hex driver. It is sometimes called a nut driver and is used to tighten nuts in the same way that a screwdriver tightens screw. Do you know what this one is called? Yes, this is called TORX screwdriver, used to loosen or tighten screws that have a star-like depression on the top, a feature that is mainly found on laptops. Needle nose plier, used to hold small parts. Wire cutter, used to strip and cut wires. Tweezers, used to manipulate small parts. Part retriever, used to retrieve parts from locations that are too small for your hand to fit. Flashlight, used to light up areas that you cannot see well. Soldering iron, a tool used to join two or more metal contactors with the support of soldering lead melted around it. Soldering tool stand. It is a place of the soldering iron to keep them away from flammable materials. The stand often also comes with a sponge and flux pad for cleaning the tip. Desoldering tool, a tool used to unsolder unwanted parts of component in the circuit with the support of soldering pencil. Under the third category is the cleaning tools. Having the appropriate cleaning tools is essential when maintaining or repairing computers. Using these tools ensures that computer components are not damaged during cleaning. Cleaning tools include the following: lint-free cloth. It is used to clean different computer components without scratching or leaving debris. Compressed air, used to blow away dust and debris from different computer parts without touching the components. One of the major problems in handling computer is the messy cables. So what do we do about it? Yes, very good. We will use cable ties to bundle cables neatly inside and outside of a computer. Parts organizer, used to hold screw, jumpers, fasteners, and other small parts that prevents them from getting mixed together. Paintbrush, a device made of bristles set in handle, used for cleaning sensitive parts of a computer. Under the last category is the diagnostic tool. Computers are easier to use and more dependable with each new generation of hardware and operating system update. But that doesn't mean they are problem-free. Here are the most popular tools for diagnosing your computer problems. First in hand we have is the multimeter. Multimeter is used to test the integrity of circuits and the quality of electricity in computer components. Another example is the loopback adapter. It is used to test the functionality of computer ports. So those are the four categories of hardware tools and their examples. Let us now have a recap. First category is the ESD tools. Under ESD tools are the anti-static wrist strap, anti-static bag, and anti-static mat. Second category is the hand tools. Examples of hand tools include flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, hex driver, TORX screwdriver, needle nose plier, wire cutter, tweezers, part retriever, flashlight, soldering iron, soldering tool stand, and the soldering tool. Third category is the cleaning tool. Cleaning tools include lint-free cloth, compressed air, cable ties, parts organizer, and paintbrush. The last category is the diagnostic tools. It, it includes the multimeter and the loopback adapter. We also have here the common equipment and accessories in computers. First, we have here the LAN card. It is a computer circuit board or card that is installed in a computer so that it can be connected to a network. Server. It is a special computer that users on the network can access to carry out a job. Another is the port hub or port. It is a connector in the back of a computer or other device. It is either a serial port or a parallel port. Next is the modem, modulator demodulator. It is a device that allows a given computer to share data or otherwise a device which let computers exchange information. We also have here the scanner. It is an input device that reads text or illustration printed on paper, translates the information into a form that a computer can use. USB, Universal Serial Bus, a hardware interface for low-speed peripherals such as the keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, printer, and telephony devices. A printer. It is a piece of hardware that produces a paper copy, also known as hard copy of the information generated by the computer. Another is the RAM, or the Random Access Memory, a primary memory. This memory is used inside a computer to hold programs and data while it is running. Next, we have the flash drive. It is also a memory that can retain data without electrical power. It is widely used for BIOS chips and for digital camera and digital music storage. Another is the BIOS, or the basic input or output system. It is a chip that controls the most basic functions of the computer and performs a self-test every time you turn it on. The last is video camera. Camera using videotapes, or a camera that records onto videotapes. We also have here some of the materials that is being used in computer hardware servicing. First, we have the LINT tester. This ergonomic tester is designed to test most network cable wiring. You can either conduct an auto or manual test. Another material is the UTP, or the unshielded twisted pair. It is a popular type of cable used in computer networking that consists of two shielded wires twisted around each. Last material in computer hardware servicing is the RJ45, or the register jack. It is an 8-pin position plug or jack that is commonly used to connect computers onto Ethernet-based local area networks. Now let's have a short activity. You are going to identify the best tool to be used to do the following tasks. First, what tool will we use in order to loosen nut screws? The correct answer is very good, hex driver. Second question. What tool are we going to use in order to blow away dust from keyboard? The correct answer is compressed air. Number 3. What tool are we going to use in order to tighten screws of a laptop? Got it right, it's a TORX screwdriver. How about number 4? Tools used in order to bundle cables inside a computer. The correct answer is cable ties. Lastly, the tool used to test the functionality of the printer port. The correct answer is loopback adapter. I hope you had a fun time learning with me. Special thanks to SlidesGo for a very presentable PowerPoint template. See you in our next lesson. Bye!